Today is the commemoration of the 5th anniversary of the Jagger Fire, the fire that destroyed the reading room of the Jagger Library and the flooding of the basement based on the water that was used to douse the fire.
This was the original UCT library, and many years ago I was a student here, and I wasn't the only person amongst the people who were affected by the fire. Many are alumni of UCT and use this library. There was global outpouring of grief because many people in the world also use this as a library, especially in undergraduate studies.
We have had to ask some really very difficult questions. How do we preserve knowledge in ways that are both secure and accessible? How do we balance the tangible value that come from physical collections with the reach and resilience of digital collections? And how do we create spaces that reflect the diversity, the aspirations, and the lived realities of our community?
A very significant part of the exhibition is the imagining of the future Jagger by some of our architectural students and how that has been displayed here as well.
And that is one of the main purposes of this exhibition, for people to see our experience through our eyes as it's been curated, not only our experiences and the experiences of the people who are quoted on the banners, but also the materials, what other people have thought through the exhibition of the architecture students, for example, the curation of the displays that our staff have done in the various areas.
This particular approach is really about wanting to showcase to the public, to the university community, to our sponsors, to our partners, what we have been doing in the 5 years. Some of the materials that didn't survive the fire, but we still hold them as memorabilia of the fire, but also what has been done in terms of restoration, what has been done in conservation and preservation, including digital preservation, because we're also launching on our website the updated restoration efforts, the timeline, and also around the debates on archives. What is the future of archives? The inclusion of different voices, the other voices in the archives, that it's not just reflective of a particular type of history, but it should be open.
I was a student here in the 70s and then back again later, and I taught here. And this was like, for me, a bit of a safe haven, as it was for many people. So we worked very closely with the libraries. We were cognizant of the feel and the atmosphere in the space and how evocative it was. And so we designed an exhibition that would allow both for people to emote in the space, but also to get a contemporary story of how things have evolved over the last 5 years.
But the most significant and the most important question is, when will this building be rebuilt? But for the month hereafter, the Jagger Library will be open on every working day from 9 until 1. There will be 2 guided tours every day with staff in attendance. And so we invite the UCT community and the public to please come and view the exhibition. Come and have a conversation with the staff about where we are with the Jagger Library, the Jagger restoration, and the future of it. We are in the process of finalizing the first technical aspect, and that is the briefing document that will inform the appointment of an architect to conduct the master planning of UCT Libraries, of which the first project will be the rebuilding of the library. And hopefully, we're all hoping that this is going to be confirmed in the 4th quarter of the year. But as we mark this 5th anniversary, the story of the Jagger is no longer one of tragedy. It is a story of opportunity loss. We gather here today to celebrate a journey of recovery that has redefined how we value, protect, and share our heritage.